This cake here is my coconut cream cake, and it has Bavarian cream in the center, and it's just white cake with buttercream or whipped cream, depending on what you like. And it doesn't really have to be frosted perfectly. It could be pitty and all that. It's as long as the cake's not showing, because we're going to cover it completely. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here I just have my cake board with a doily on it, and this here is sweetened coconut shreds, because they have different kinds, and you want it to be sweetened. And with this here, you just press on the cake. I like to do my sides first. Give it a little tap to get some of the excess off the top. Just kind of spread it around. Maybe give it a little bit of a tap so it stays on there. It's a little bit messy, but worth it. Now you can just leave it just like that, but I'm going to just put a few rosettes on there just to give it a little bit more of a decoration. Now these are not going to actually stick to the coconuts. Make sure you don't go way off to the edge, they will fall off. And there we have our coconut cream cake. And if you want, I'm going to show you now how to write happy birthday, especially on something like this. There's no way you can write, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I have a little piece of acetate here that I cut to size. It might be a wee bit hard to see because of it being on camera and being see-through. So I'm going to, I just figure, okay, I want to have it like here, so I cut about that size. And I have just buttercream, and you can just write whatever you like. And then you just place it on the cake. This is great for most of the torte cakes if you're not sure how to write a message. Also, this helps give you, even for other cakes, so you don't have a lot of room, maybe like a 6-inch cake that has this a little teeny area and it's really hard to write in there, or you have a lot to write if someone has a really long name, or happy anniversary, which is always can be difficult. Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day can be one other one. So this little piece of plastic can really save the day, and I really like it. So here we go. There is our coconut cream cake.